it's time to fire up the smoker, because we're getting ready to make some summer sausage, and what better way than to smoke it. This is the trimmings of 6 sides of spare ribs. We'd smoked them here a while back, and I took the trimmings, vacuum sealed them, and put them in the freezer. Now we're going to grind it up and add some beef to it, and we're going to make summer sausage. We'll be using a total of 5 pounds. Oh yeah, and look, I'm using my new LEM meat grinder. And we are getting a dual grind, and we're using the 4.5 millimeter plate. Now I'm using Backwoods Summer sausage seasoning. This is enough to make 5 pounds, and it comes with the curing salt, cure number 1. Now, I didn't add any other seasonings to this. This is a good starter seasoning, and you could add to it. But the only thing I added, and you'll see it here in a little bit, I added some jalapenos to 2 tubes of summer sausage. Now I pour in about half and get that mixed in real well. And then I'll add the other half here in a little bit. And now let's put it in turbo drive. Go along there, and now it's time to add the rest of it. Get it in there. Oh, and then we just keep mixing. And this takes a while to mix. You want to really mix it up well. And you want it where it'll get sticky and tacky, and where you can put a patty on your hand and it not fall off. Well, by golly, I believe this is ready. Well, we have our fibrous casings there. They've been soaking in this warm water for about 30 minutes or so. I believe they're ready. I had my jalapenos there. That's for the last 2 tubes of summer sausage we stuffed. And of course, I just had to try it out as stuffing the sausages. Will I do it again? Probably not. This is too slow a process with this, just by yourself. And I speed it up. Looks like it's doing pretty well, but actually, I tell you, it was a job. So I will probably use my sausage stuffer from now on. It's done all right, but it's actually taking longer than it looks right now. I've got it in turbo drive. Now these casings are 1.5 inches by 12 inches, and they hold 1 pound per casing, and we get as close as we can. Well, now it's time to add the jalapeno peppers into this and make 2 casings with jalapeno peppers in it. And we'll get it all mixed in there really good. We'll add some more peppers here in just a second. Mix it around, put that turbo mix on there. Okay, I believe it's time to get these last 2 stuffed, and the last 2 again are going to be with jalapeno peppers in it. Fresh jalapeno. And having a foot pedal sure makes things easier. I believe these sausages are gonna be fantastically delicious. Okay, this is going to be the last one, so I'm going to have 3 regular summer sausage, and I'm going to have 2 with jalapeno peppers in it. Now the next batch I make, I believe I'm going to add some cheese in it. Well, I believe we found the end of it. So now they go into the fridge overnight, and tomorrow we'll start smoking them. Okay, it's the next day. We're going to set them out and let them come up to room temperature. Okay, again, we got 3 regular summer sausages and 2 with jalapeno in it. These are going to be good. Now we'll load the sausages onto these dowels and hang them on the high rack. Just kind of let them hang there. We'll put 3 on the back one, 2 on the front. And I make sure the water pan is full. And these should take around 4.5 to 5 hours to smoke, more or less. Oh, look at that smoke going through it. And we got our temperature probe in the center one in the back. And we'll hang the transmitter on the side there where I can receive it to my iPhone. Now this is the wood pellets I use. I take a sack of pecan and a sack of apple and I mix it together. It makes some of the best blend for smoking, which is my go-to pellet mix now. I will use the competition if I'm going higher temperatures like 350 or somewhere along in there where it doesn't produce a lot of smoke. But as far as wanting smoke, good smoke flavor, this is what I'm using. Now this lumberjack pellets put out some good smoke. Look at that. And the flavor of pecan and apple are spot on. Oh, look at them hanging in there. They are looking fantastic. I believe we're at about 4 hours. And when it hits 165, that's going to be right at 5 hours. And there it is. And the sausages got a good color, looking good. Of course, they're in the dark casing anyways, but get the meat probe out of it, take these and lay them out to cool. Well, the directions didn't call for ice water bath, so I didn't. But the next time, I'm going to try the ice water bath after I pull them out of the smoker. I believe they'll turn out a lot better and have a little bit tighter casing. But I have no complaints of how these turned out. They turned out really good. We love them. The kids love them. The grandkids love them. Hey, these are good. I love this backwoods seasoning. So we'll make a few slices here. This really turns out good. I used an 1.5-inch casing by 12-inch, which turned out perfect for the 5 pounds of sausage we made. Well, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.